This is our Christmas tree. I'm here. I'm still here.
I'm going to this room first.
Hey. Oh, can I take video?
I think I squeezed it hard.
Oh, napang di restaurant? Oh, it's nice.
Maybe I do this cake man.
It's nice, nice.
No,
It's nice.
It's nice.
Wow, pretty long hair.
Man, try look to your name. Get
No, she said
$100
free.
man.
I know you called him freaky. I'm like, yo,
Pretty.
that's crazy.
Pretty. Oh. Oh, where's my name? Oh, this is my name. Yeah, right there. Yan. Oh, guys. Nice. 2025 decoration. Okay, ayan.
The smaller size than yours. Yours is like 40 something, right?
I think it's the same size. It is the same size.
Hey. Wala, tawag ako mga di Pilipinas ta kasta sa sudag day no kasano day jay Maya.
Sige, just kasa. Message me. Nung madi mo maya, nung kasano.
Itan turo sana. Outside. I gonna dial.
Oh yeah, you can do that.
Messenger. Apa nga tao? Ag po nga ta?
We can use this for something.
Not like the Gcash ah.
Okay, he already asked me. No, why?
I like this side. So nice. I like this side. It's so nice.
I think this is Teresa's car, yeah?
No?
Just like it. That's the one. No, it's not her car.
Same model.
Thank you, King's Dental. Happy New Year. See you next Monday. Yeah. Ayan guys, uwian na kami. Ayan, wala po kaming pasok bukas. Babalik kami ulit sa January 5th. Ayan. Kaya, happy and healthy New Year everyone. Ayan. Ay, may nahulog na isa. May nahulog. May nahulog na isang Santa hat, guys. Ayan. Ayan. Ang ganda dito na banda, oh. Ako ay yung nag-decorate dito, eh. Sa harap. Ayan. Okay. More blessings. 2026. Uwian na kami. Uwi na. Ayan. Actually, nakauwi na yung mga iba, eh. Ayan, guys. Happy New Year, everyone. More blessings. Ingat tayong lahat. Ayan, see you 2026 January 5th. Ayan, magliligpit na kami sa